More than 6 million Americans suffer from Alzheimer's disease, and there is no cure. Nearly 100,000 of those people are right here in San Diego, with yesterday's landmark announcement of the FDA approving the first new drug in 18 years to actually treat the disease. And not just the symptoms, there is both hope and skepticism tonight. It's called Aduhelm, and it's said to reduce amyloid plaque in the brain, or the protein that builds up in Alzheimer's patients' brains, a signature of the disease. I reached out to Alzheimer's San Diego to get their reaction to the news, and I started by asking why both the new treatment and the decision are controversial.
I think it's controversial because there were two clinical trials completed for this drug. One had positive results and one had negative results. So some people could say they negate each other. You know, the FDA obviously found reason to approve the drug anyhow, and I certainly can't speak to what that reasoning is, but we do trust the FDA. We know they're looking out for the best interest of everyone. I think the other thing that makes it controversial is it's really for people only in the very, very early stages. And we know that most people, by the time they're diagnosed, won't be eligible to use this drug. We have 100,000 people in San Diego County now with Alzheimer's, and probably most of them wouldn't qualify for this drug.
So do you think it's false hope that the approval of this drug is giving people?
You know, I think hope is always a good thing. And maybe the hope that we need to look towards is that this could be the first of more new drugs coming down the path. I don't think this is going to be the be all end all for the people suffering right now.
The Alzheimer's Association at large called this a victory. Mm-hmm. What does Alzheimer's San Diego call it?
We call it a step. I think, you know, we're cautiously optimistic. And I think if anything, if this pushes people to go get a diagnosis sooner, to reach out when they have concerns earlier, to go to the doctor when they start seeing signs rather than explaining them away and waiting, that'll be good, because regardless if you qualify for this treatment or not, the sooner you know what you're dealing with, the sooner you can make plans and make steps and prepare.
This is the first treatment approved in the U.S. in 18 years. Mm-hmm. Why so long?
Because there just hasn't been anything that's gotten through the clinical trials phase. There have been so many drugs that have gotten just so far, and then they don't prove, you know, the promises don't come to fruition. So it's been a long time, which is why this is a big deal to finally have something else approved. And this is the first drug that is disease modifying versus just treating symptoms.
And there are some side effects that they are reporting, and also that it's expensive. What are you hearing about that?
We are hearing that it's very expensive. It's an infusion therapy, so it's going to be more expensive generally than just something you can pick up at your pharmacy. And also, again, because it will only work for people that have that amyloid plaque, there's going to need to be some expensive diagnostic screenings before the drug can be prescribed. So, you know, no one is going to go to their doctor and come home with a prescription today.
Have you started fielding a lot of questions within your organization with this announcement?
Almost immediately. Yeah, the phone started ringing first thing in the morning, emails coming in. People are desperate for something because there has been nothing for so long. And it couldn't be better timing. This Saturday, we're having our annual Date with the Cure event where people can ask questions of local researchers. So I know this is going to be a hot topic.
And we have a lot of great local research in our own backyard. If you'd like to participate in the Zoom webinar this Saturday morning and ask questions about this new drug, you can register at the Alzheimer's San Diego website, and we have a link to that on fox5sandiego.com. Eugenia also tells me Medicare has not yet decided if they are going to cover the treatment, and it could potentially cost $56,000 a year. And just keep in mind, the FDA is requiring another clinical trial, and they could still pull back the approval if they aren't satisfied with those results.